Special feature, hotspots. Hotspots are a game changer when navigating large or complex virtual spaces. Do you have a huge space which takes it forever to explore? A very tall building with many floors, or a flying house not reachable on foot? Hotspots will help you to get to your desired location in seconds. Let's find out how. To create a hotspot, select any asset, a cube, image, or even a sticky note. Then use the editing tool to enable the hotspot feature. Now set up a teleport portal. This portal will be activated when you click on the box or asset you created, spawning you to its location. Let's move the portal further away and test it out. Experiment with hotspot placement to optimize navigation within your space.